Hi friends, and welcome to Brushfalls Studio. This of course is our world famous art studio. Today we're going to start with this 18 by 24 black canvas. I'm putting my black base coat on here with my handy dandy paintbrush. And once we get this done, I'm going to have a layered cup. We'll be pouring down the center and stretching and seeing what kind of mayhem we can make out of that. Right now what I'm basically doing is moving my big puddle of black paint around so it covers all of the canvas, and then I'm going to leave a little bit of a puddle in the middle to pour my cup over. So here's my cup. You can see our colors in here. There's some pink and some green, some black, some white. So here's our finished painting. Got a real nice striping effect out of that today, and wasn't entirely sure how it was going to turn out, but with that we're done here today. So if you like what you saw, go ahead and like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and even leave a comment. I'm available to respond. I'll try to respond to everything that comes through, but definitely help us out with a at least with a like and a subscribe. With that, say thank you and bye.